So we just landed in Eritrea, guys, and we just went to the house we rented, and this is how it looks like. Dude, let me just show them like a little house tour, and then maybe I can come and help you guys. Alright, I'm gonna do a mini house tour. It is dark here, so that's why I'm using a flashlight. Let me show you guys the bedroom. It is... Wow, Raphael's being really loud right now.
Michael's already sleeping, as you guys can obviously tell. And Gina's getting ready to sleep.
This is supposed to be the master bedroom, I guess. Yo, what are you doing? Dude, that's the first thing you're gonna go into? Like, come on, we just stepped in Eritrea. You really needed the toilet. Couldn't you use the toilet in the airplane? And this is the boys' bedroom, by the way, guys. Oh my god, Danielle, you too? That's the first thing you're gonna do? Go in the bathroom? Oh, never mind.
Please, someone give me my red blood. Please give me the red blood, please, someone.
Yo, guys, look at Moses doing dog. Anyways, Moses is trying to impress the vlog right now, but he's feeling so bad. George, I dare you to take that.
You know I can do it, bro.
No, you can't. I dare you. Yo, George, you're such a strong dude. What the hell? It's I had George to put me up. It's so dark. Nobody can see. Oh.
Moses, it's dark out here. You're so dumb.
Oh man. Come on, Moses, stop being a kid. Open this door, man. Come on, man. Stop being a kid. Moses, you can't be joking, man. Come on, Moses, open it. What's up? Stop playing, Moses, stop joking.
It's cold here.
It's freaking dark. It's 1 AM in the morning.
It's hitting. I can't open it.
Yeah, Moses, open it. We can't jump. There's no way you can jump. There's no way you can jump. Come on, Moses. You saved our life. Damn.
Yalla, port something.
Yellow George, I dare you to take another bag.
I got one already.
Because she got her lashes.
Why are you mad? Is it because you forgot your lashes? Come on, it's not that deep.
Yalla, bye-bye.
Alright, bye. See you tomorrow. Good night.